What do you think? A shutdown doesn't have the same stigma it used to, or what?
Well, this is the same fear game that we've lived through. The markets don't care, Neil. This is a non-event. The market, I think, is actually hoping for some dip. It will be bought up immediately, so it actually won't even occur. So if there is a shutdown, I don't even expect there to be much of a correction. In 2013, we had the shutdown, and the market from beginning to end of the shutdown rose 2.3%. So I don't think that this is going to be an event at all. And in fact, I don't expect any rating downgrade. I think, as I mentioned, this is a fear game, and we've seen it and lived through it through the default question in 2011. We had the combination of both a partial shutdown and a potential default. The market moved barely and then came roaring back, Neil.
You know what I noticed too, Kathryn, of that to finish that point, the constructive things have often happened after shutdowns, where even with the Gingrich example dealing with President Clinton, where they got welfare to work and some substantial structural changes in entitlement programs, a big one there, and that did change things for the better in the eyes of those who wanted, let's say, a more cost-efficient government that's watching its bottom line, right?
That's why it's political maneuvering at the end of the day. This is, I mean, Chuck Schumer said it in 2013, why hold millions of people hostage, even though you care so much about one issue? You can't do that. So I'm happy that he's going to meet with the president. I think he hopefully is reverting back to his own ideology from the 2013 debacle. But certainly, Neil, I mean, that's why politicians look for something like this. At the end of the day, it is political. That's why the markets don't care at all.